Hi friends, in the last session we have started that dictionary data structure. Okay, we have started that concept called the dictionary data structure. So normally dictionary data structure means up to now we have discussed that a list tuple set to represent a individual objects as a single entity. That means to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity. But if you want to represent a group of key value pairs, okay, group of objects as a key value pairs, then we should go for dictionary. So this is nothing but a dictionary. This is having one key and a value. So here duplicate keys are not allowed and values can be duplicated. And heterogeneous objects are not allowed but values can but for both keys and values. Okay, heterogeneous objects are allowed for both keys and values. Insertion order is not preserved. Dictionaries are mutable. Dictionaries are dynamic. Indexing and slicing concepts are not applicable for dictionaries. Okay, indexing and slicing concepts are not applicable for dictionary. So now today I'm going to explain about to each and every point with respect to example so that you will get much clarity. Okay, first create a dictionary. Okay, first how to create a dictionary. Okay, how to create a dictionary. Okay, how to create a dictionary. So observe carefully how to create a dictionary. See here how I'm creating the dictionary means first I'm creating an empty dictionary. Okay, first I'm creating an empty dictionary. D is equal to, I'm taking this way. Okay, I'm taking this way. So first what I'm doing, print D, and I'm printing type of D. Okay, I'm printing D and printing type of D. Type. Observe here, first I'm printing the dictionary and printing the type of dictionary. If you observe here, I'm getting both are dictionary. Okay, it is nothing but empty dictionary. Okay, it is nothing but empty dictionary. Next point. So this is way of first way. Or I'm taking D is equal to dict. Okay, D is equal to dict. D is equal to dict. So in this way also we'll get the same. Okay, in this way also we'll get the same output. If you observe here, empty dictionary and this is the one. Okay, this is nothing but what creating empty dictionary. Okay, this is nothing but what creating an empty dictionary. Clear, right? So this is the first way. Okay, empty dictionary. Empty dictionary. It's nothing but what empty dictionary. Next, after creating an empty dictionary, we can add the values to the dictionary. Okay, we are creating empty dictionary. Okay, we are creating empty dictionary. We are creating empty dictionary and we can add entries as the follows. Okay, we can add entries in the entries as follows. Okay, we are creating empty dictionary. We can add entries as follows. Clear? We are creating an empty dictionary. We can add entries as follows. Observe here. Observe here. First, I am creating an empty dictionary. Okay, first I am creating what? Empty dictionary. Once I am creating an empty dictionary, I am giving the values in this way. D of 100 is equal to Sai Kumar. D of 100 is equal to Sai Kumar. Next, D of 200 is equal to D of 200 is equal to Rajesh. Okay. D of 300 is equal to Shankar. Okay. D of 300 is equal to Shankar. D of 400 D of 400 is equal to what? is equal to Satvik. Okay, so this is the way. Once after creating the empty dictionary, I'm giving the values in this way. I'm giving the values in this way. Okay, once I'm giving the values in this way, I'm printing that dictionary. Observe here the point. Observe the point here. So if you observe here, this is the thing. Okay, this is the way we are inserting the data. Okay, this is the way we are inserting the data. Clear? Example 2. Example 2. Next, if we know the data, if we know the data in advance, if we know the data in dictionary, we know the data in dictionary in advance, we can create as follow. We can create as follows. Okay, we can create as follows. If we know the data in dictionary in advance, we can create as follows. Okay, how we can create means observe here, observe here. Okay, let me take empty dictionary only. Next here, what I will do means I'm taking the data in this way. Okay, first I'm taking 100 key with respect to value Sai Kumar. Next, what I'm doing means oh sorry, key 200 is a key and value means Shankar. Okay, value means Shankar. Next, I'm giving one more key. So what is the key means 300 colon value means what? Value means Rajesh. Next, 400 colon 400 colon value is Sairam. Okay, value is what? Sairam. So if we know the data, here I'm saying here I'm saying that if we know the data in advance, then that time we can create the dictionary as follows. We can create a dictionary as follows. If you know the data in advance, if you know the data in dictionary in advance, we can create the dictionary as follows. Okay, see, observe here, print of d. Okay, print of d. Okay, print of d. See, I'm running the program. If you observe here, we are getting the values. Okay, we are getting the values. Clear? So if you know the data in advance, we can create that dictionary in this way. Okay, if you know the data in advance, we can create this dictionary in this way. Clear, right? This is nothing but what? Creating a dictionary. Okay, this is nothing but what? Creating a dictionary. Okay. Next, so once we creating the dictionary, okay, once we are creating a dictionary, so we have to access the values from the dictionary. Okay, once inserting is fine. Okay, we are inserting the data into the dictionary is fine. But now our target is we need to access the data from the dictionary. Okay, how to access data from the dictionary. How to access data from the dictionary. Okay, how to access data from the dictionary. Okay, how to access data from the dictionary. We can access data from the dictionary by using keys. Okay, we can access data from the dictionary. We can access data from the dictionary by using keys. Okay, we can access data from the dictionary by using keys. Clear? So how we can access data from the dictionary by using keys means, see, observe here, this is the first I have inserted the data. So this is the way of creating. If we know the data in advance, so we can create the dictionary in this way. Okay, now observe here, I'm accessing the data. Okay, now I'm accessing the data. Print of what I'm doing, d of 100 I'm taking. Okay, d of 100 I'm taking. So d of 100 means, what is the key? Okay, 100 key. So with respect to 100 key, what is the value? Sai Kumar. Okay, what is the value? Sai Kumar. Next. Okay, next. With respect to the same example, I'm asking one more value. Okay, d of what I'm taking means 400. What I'm taking 400. 400 means what is the output? Saira. Okay, what is the output? Saira. Next. What I'm asking, the next one means print d, sorry, d of d of 500. I'm asking d of 500. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. D of 100 is available anyway. We'll get this one. D of 400 is available anyway. This one we will get this one. But D of 500 is not available. Okay, when D of 500 is not available, it is going to give the error as a key error. Okay, it is going to give the error as a key error saying key error 500. Okay, observe carefully. First we will get Sai Kumar, Sairam. Next this one. Okay, anyway will it will print the dictionary also. See, it is printing the dictionary. This is the name. This is the name. Next, finally we are getting key error. Okay, finally we are getting key error. So remove that and observe the here carefully. See, if the value is not available, it is giving the key error. But we can prevent this by checking whether key is already available or not by using hash underscore key function by using in operator. Okay, okay. Observe carefully. One more time, I'm saying we can prevent this by checking whether key is available or not by using hash underscore key function or not by using in operator. Okay, sorry, here in the above case, in the above case, in the above case, in the above case, we can prevent. Okay, we can by checking prevent by checking whether whether keys already available or not by using as underscore key function, as underscore key function. Okay, as underscore key function by using as underscore key function or as underscore key function or as underscore key function or by using in operator or by using in operator. In the above case, we can prevent by checking whether WHETHER. Okay, whether key is already available or not by using has underscore key function or by using in operator. By using in operator. That means how we can do means d dot, okay, here the dictionary is already available, right? Has underscore key, okay, has underscore key and 500, okay, it returns one, okay, it returns one if key is available, if key is available, otherwise otherwise returns 0, otherwise returns 0. But I am saying that we can prevent this problem by using has underscore key function. But the point here is has underscore key function, has underscore key function is available in available only, okay, available only in Python 2 but not in Python 3. Okay, has underscore key function is available only in Python 2 but not in Python 3. Okay, but not in Python 3. Hence compulsory we have to use in operator. Okay, hence to prevent this problem, prevent this problem, compulsory we have to use, we have to use a in operator only, to use a in operator only. Compulsory we have to use a in operator. That means that means here what I am doing means that means here what I am doing means if 400, if sorry, if 500, okay, if 500 in D, okay, if 500 in D, then only give me the value of print of D 500. Okay, otherwise 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 500 key not available, 500 key not available, okay, 500 key not available. Okay, so anyway normally if it is available means here we are getting, but here the I'm showing with respect to the problem. Okay, I'm showing here with respect to the problem I'm showing. If the 500 key is not available, 500 key not available, if available means it's going to display d of 500. Okay, it's going to display of d of 500. Okay, observe the output. Observe here 500 key not available. Okay, 500 key not available. Clear, right? This is nothing but what accessing data from the dictionary. This is nothing but what accessing data from the dictionary. This is nothing but what accessing data from the dictionary. Clear, right? So in the next session, I'm going to display about another concepts like update dictionary, delete elements from the dictionary. Like I'm going to explain next concept. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time. And if you are having any questions, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.